What's up, everybody? Today we're going to be doing a video on how to remove the smog pump from your Honda XR150. Removing the smog pump probably save you like 1 or 2 pounds, and it'll help reduce some of the heat coming off of the head. So first off, what you're going to need is go down to your local auto parts store and get you a vacuum cap assortment. It's Dorman part number 41050. You're also going to need an 8mm socket, 10mm, 12, a small hose clamp, needle nose pliers, Phillips head screwdriver, and a couple ratchets. We're going to start off by removing the shroud covers off the fuel tank and off the sides here of the bike. We got a Phillips head up top. Another 10mm down here below the reflector. And the same thing for the other side. Alright, and then on the left side, we've got a 12mm bolt that holds the horn on. You just want to flop your horn down here. And then there's going to be an 8mm. And another 8mm right here. Alright, then still on the left side right here, you've got this vacuum hose that goes into the intake manifold. Tiny little clamp on there. Pull that off. You might not even need pliers. And then remove the hose from this bracket. Okay, then you take the smallest vacuum cap, with the smallest diameter in the kit, and it's going to go right here on the intake manifold where you just remove that vacuum hose. You just stick that on. It fits nice and snug. You don't even need a clamp, zip tie, or anything like that. It's going to stay put. Alright, next thing we're going to do is remove this little hose clamp here. Just want to remove this portion of the system. Get that out of there. That way we can feed the rest of the system through the right side of the bike. There's also a rubber holder that goes onto a bracket. Just push forward and it's going to come right off. Alright, we're on the right side of the bike here. You're going to want to remove this clamp, this hose. Probably going to have to fight with it a little bit. I've already fought with it. Alright, that's removed. And last step here, I believe, is removing these two bolts. Alright, there's your smog pump. Now that's out. We've got the largest cap in our kit. We've got our hose clamp. Okay. Alright, just going to button up our horn, get that back on. Alright, and then that's it. Smog pump deleted. All you have to do is put your tank shrouds back on and put your side covers back on, and you're done. I'm doing some more maintenance. I've got to do a valve adjustment for my 600-mile service. So my tank's coming off, my seat is coming off. But that's it. There's your whole smog pump system. Super easy to do. 2 vacuum caps, a couple tools. Takes 10-15 minutes. Y'all have a good one. Be safe out there.